Alright guys, I'm going to roll the numbers here for the $40 Super Bowl bobblehead pool, 10:07 p.m. We'll type live. We are live, 10:07 p.m. 10:07 p.m. We are going to grab the list. Ten entries. Roll 2 dice, just like a Raz, 5 or higher. 12 times, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11 times, dice shows 12. Next click, we got our numbers, good luck. 12. Here we go, got our numbers right here. I will drop them at the bottom of the post. We are done. 10:08 p.m. We'll go back, we'll type done. PM. 10:08 p.m.